The Sony Alpha 6000 has seriously fast continuous shooting for the money, and its design improves upon its predecessor's already excellent one. Plus it's got an extensive feature. The Alpha 6000's JPEG images generally look excellent, though in low light they don't remain as sharp as photos from some competitors. The new 24MP sensor incorporates the latest gapless microlens technology that most modern sensors now use, coupled with Sony's latest ILCE image processor. The big improvement in the Alpha 6000 over its predecessor is the ability to shoot continuously at 11 FPS with autofocus and auto exposure, for at least 50 JPEGs or 22 RAW. At 23 it slows a lot, though. That's one of the best I've seen in this price class, including similarly priced DSLR kits like the Canon EOS Rebel T5i. Yes, Nikon zips past it, but that's with a far lower resolution, 1-inch sensor. Aside from continuous shooting, the Alpha 6000's performance is solid but not class-leading, and while the image quality is excellent, it's not quite the sharpest in low light. However, with a great feature set, especially if you're willing to fork for extra bucks and personal information for task-specific apps, the overall package of the Sony Alpha 6000 ranks as one of the best cameras available in its price class.